the perfect entertainer. This impeccable home is perfect for a large family and will allow you to entertain and offer great hospitality. The property is single-level style with 3 bedrooms, and it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen has added function with the breakfast bar. This home has an evaporative cooling system and gives loads of natural light. It has a covered outdoor space, as well as making you feel secure and safe. Add to that fully landscaped gardens. Looking for the ultimate home for your family? Perfect as your forever home. Please call to schedule an appointment.